What ethical challenges arise when enforcing international patents? Imagine trying to protect an invention across many countries, each with its own rules and values. Enforcing international patents can be tricky, and ethical questions pop up along the way. Different countries have different patent laws, enforcement methods, and standards for what counts as infringement. This can lead to uneven protection, where an inventor's rights are strong in some places but weak in others. Is it fair that a patent might be enforced in one country but ignored in another? These differences raise questions about fairness and equality in protecting innovation worldwide. Another challenge comes from economic differences. Wealthier nations often have the resources to enforce patents effectively, while poorer countries may lack the infrastructure or funds. This can make it hard for inventors to defend their rights everywhere. At the same time, strict enforcement of patents on medicines or vital technologies might limit access for people in poorer countries. For example, enforcing pharmaceutical patents can make life-saving drugs too expensive for many. This creates an ethical dilemma. Should patent rights be prioritized over people's health and well-being? Patent abuse is also a concern. Some companies, called patent trolls, buy patents not to innovate but to sue others or demand licensing fees. This kind of behavior can block new ideas and hurt honest businesses. It raises questions about whether enforcing patents is being used ethically or just for profit. If enforcement is used to stifle competition or unfairly target smaller companies, it can harm the spirit of innovation. Balancing the need to motivate inventors with the public's right to access new technologies is another issue. Patents give inventors exclusive rights for a certain time, usually 20 years. But if enforcement is too strict, it can slow down further innovation or keep important inventions out of reach. This is especially true in areas like medicine or artificial intelligence, where access can impact many lives. Cultural and language differences also complicate enforcement. What is considered infringement in one country might not be in another. Misunderstandings can lead to unfair treatment of patent holders or accused infringers. Respecting these differences is important to ensure fair outcomes. In practice, international agreements like the Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights set minimum standards for protection. Countries can choose how strictly to enforce these rules, which can cause inconsistencies. Sometimes governments use tools like compulsory licensing, allowing them to override patents temporarily during health crises to provide affordable medicines. Efforts are also underway to create better cooperation through courts like the Unified Patent Court in Europe, aiming for fairer enforcement across borders. Overall, enforcing international patents involves many ethical questions. It's about finding a balance between protecting inventors' rights and serving the public good. Respecting different legal systems, preventing abuse, and ensuring fair access are all part of a complex but important challenge in global intellectual property management.